The class profile allows you to quickly triangulate different types of achievement information to effectively program either for your whole class, a small group, and even for individual students. You can set up and update your class profile in a variety of ways, and I'll review that in this video. So to navigate to your class profile, simply go to the left-hand side under the blue Classes ribbon and select your class. If you have access to more than one class, for example, if you're a principal, you can either scroll through the list or use the search box within that menu area. Once you open the class profile, you'll notice that there are two tabs along the top. The first tab, the class profile, includes all the information in tabular form. And then the class dashboard includes additional information in a dashboard setting that I'll review later. So down below, you'll see the table, and this will contain a list of all the students that are enrolled in your class according to your student information system. It'll include their grade, their name. You'll notice that there is a hyperlink to the student profile, which you can watch an additional video if you're interested about how to navigate that area. You'll notice that there's an OEN, some demographic flags, and then there is a section in the middle about previous historic achievement, including report card information, EQAO information, and other assessments that your board might house. After that, you'll notice that there's some absence and late data, as well as an at-risk flag if that's something that you within your school or your school board are using. And hot links to get to the student notes area or the student portfolio area. So along the top, you can actually use the pull down menus to update and change the achievement information that is revealed dynamically in the table below. And so right now I have language reading as the report card data that's coming through, but you can use any of the drop-down menus. So if you want to switch to report card writing, you can simply use the pull-down menu below. Similarly, if you are in a class where there's EQAO data available, you can simply select the EQAO subtest that you would want to be stored beside it. Now, because I'm in a grade 1-2 class, there's no EQAO data available. The assessment area includes additional information if you're using the assessment area in your school board. In this example, there's the Rosner phonemic awareness assessment, so you can also include that assessment or any assessments inside of your class profile. All of the titles can be used as a sort feature. So if you wanted to sort your entire list ascending, you simply click on the title and it will sort ascending. If you click it again, it will sort descending. So this is a great way to quickly look at the distribution of achievement within your class for potential groupings, and the data from the report card, if you're using that to source, will be beside the EQAO and other assessment information. For the absences information, you can actually click on the numeric value in the absence, and it will pull up a table about all the details of the absence, including the date, what the absence quantity was, how many minutes were lost, the type, and then the reason as well. So that's a great way to quickly pull up absence information for the class. If you would like to quickly add a note for a particular student, you simply click on the notes icon and that will open the notes section for a particular student, the same way you would add a note if you were on the student profile page. And then the same feature for the student portfolio. If you wanted to add an artifact or some other piece of information and attach it to the student profile in the student portfolio, you can just click that icon right there. Once you've set up your class profile, if you wanted to export the class profile, you can simply click on the print view and export and print as a PDF document. For some school boards, you can also directly message parents by simply selecting all or some of the students and messaging parents, similar as you can send it as a parent portal to portal message or as an email. And if your school board uses Google Classroom, there might be some integration for you there as well. So that's kind of the basics of the class profile. I'm just going to click on the class dashboard next, and this contains similar types of information. If you want to update the settings in your class profile, you can simply click on the settings in the top right-hand corner, and you can adjust the default settings. So for example, the report card subject right now in mine is math, but you can update that to any subject to your liking. So all of the graphs are interactive, so you can click on the right hamburger menu to download or view the graphic in different ways. You can refresh, you can pull up a student list about all the attendance information if you wanted to pull that. You can expand the chart. You can turn on and off the different data items using the interactive legend. And then the setting, you can go back in time and change the chart type if you would like. So sometimes it's easier to kind of notice patterns and trends or strengths and needs in classes to view the information graphically. And in other cases, the class profile is a better option. So hopefully this video helps you familiarize yourself with the class profile and some of the features that are available to you, and hopefully you're more confident in using this tool.